chrysanthemums bloom in springtime air. Soft sunlight warms every tender prayer. Gentle breezes hum through emerald leaves, carrying love on the wings of dreams.
Spring returns to the old porch light. Laughter lingers from morn till night. Oh, yellow flowers like blessings above, pouring our hearts with endless love. Golden chrysanthemums bloom in the spring, like your shy smile awakening. Under white skies of hope so strong, you light my heart with 1,000 dawns. Golden blossoms, fragile and bright, yet faithful as love through darkest night. Spring softly sings by our doorway, keeping our souls as one always. Morning dew rests on petals fair, shining like sunlight everywhere. I hold your hand, my heart beats fast, walking through spring. Our shadows cast, and if tomorrow the cold winds rise, still golden blooms beneath the skies, just like our love through passing years, warm and deep beyond all fears. Golden chrysanthemums bloom in the spring, like your sweet smile shimmering across the earth where hopes belong. You set my heart in rosy song. Golden flowers forever stay, like our love that will not fade away. Spring will return and hearts will know. Golden blossom forever glow in our soul.